Okay guys, in this one we have a dog inexplicably pulling a wagon, and we have force normal is going up, we don't know what that is. We have force of gravity pulling down, we don't know what that is. And we have the dog pulling forward, and it says force applied, we don't know what that is. And technically they'd have a little friction here, but we'll pretend like that didn't happen. Okay, mass is 15 kilograms. Acceleration is 0.5 meters per second squared. And they're looking also for the net force. Now it feels like there's nothing here to help you. But let's remember that, net force is equal to mass times acceleration. We can also write that as F net is equal to m times a, okay? So F net is equal to 15 times 0.5. And if you throw that in your calculator, you know this is 7.5 newtons. So we got this guy here, okay? The next one could be a little bit tricky. Let's go after force of gravity, okay? I want to do that because I know a nice easy equation for force of gravity, and that looks like this, okay? Mass, I'm going to take my mass. Fg, which is force of gravity, is equal to mass times gravity. So Fg is equal to 15 times 9.8. I'm going to stick that in my calculator, and I get 147 newtons, okay? So now I have Fg, 147 newtons. Well, remember, Fg is always equal to Fn, the normal force, okay? Because the dog and the wagon aren't floating up in the air and they're not sinking down the ground. So these guys are even. We'll throw our units on there. The last thing that we have to do is figure out this mystery force applied. Well, keep in mind that force of gravity and normal force are equal, so they're going to cancel each other out. So the only thing that can be causing this net force, or the total force, is the dog pulling forward. So this is 7.5, so that has to be 7.5 as well. Okay, have a nice day.